right, good morning, everybody. So, not so much in way of instructions for this week, because we have today you should practice Born in the USA. And if you can, probably sneak the Ed puzzle in or the context corner in, just to get it done, get it out of the way. Remember that you're going to be recording that tomorrow, not Friday, tomorrow for a rough draft. And if your rough draft is good enough, then that counts for Friday too. So, a little bit of Kurt. All right, good morning, everybody. Not so many things to say as far as instructions go. Today you should practice Born in the USA a couple times, get it feeling a little bit better. You should also try to sneak in the Ed puzzle or the context corner today. Ed puzzle's always a good one because it's nice and short. Just saying. But then just remember that you are recording Born in the USA tomorrow on the Flipgrid because I'm going to listen to a rough draft, okay? So even if it's terrible, record something for me tomorrow. You'll get the points for tomorrow's assignment. And then if that's good enough, then that counts for Friday as well. So you don't have to worry about doing it twice, okay? Today, I just wanted to quick show you something I talked about yesterday. We have the reference recording. I'll show you on the screen. Down in question form. No, sorry. Practice guides right there. Reference recording at the top. Okay. So what that is, I just took Bruce Springsteen's original recording and changed the key so it fits one that we can play a little bit easier. Okay. If you have multiple devices at the ready, like I have the song pulled up on my phone while I'm looking at the screen on the computer, then what you can do, and again, optional, but can be a really big help, is play that on your recording and use that to help you keep the steady beat. Or if you're doing the drumming, you have that going, so. Again, that's optional, but it can be a really big help and can kind of make it go a lot easier for you, okay? So as always, ask questions if you got them. I'll be around. Good luck with everything, and have a great day.